What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another T-Liska 10 Adventures video. I'm here today going to do a quick install of the Adventure Driven Design transmission skid plate. I went to Home Depot and bought some bolts, washer, lock washer, and then the nut. These are M8 bolts. Everything was only like $3 or something like that. So not too shabby, but yeah. We'll go ahead, put it on, show you how to drill it and everything. I did put the front one and the lower one on already. Super awesome, just 12mm bolts. Quality is just super good. So let's go and do it real quick. Okay, so we're under the car right here, and there's already, basically you just put a bolt through it. There's already almost like it's made for it. It's kind of weird, but there's already a nut inside here that's welded on, and you just put the bolt through both sides. So I put those on, and then here's the rear. I'm just going to push this aside, and then I'm going to tighten those down right there just so I can make a template, and then I'm going to drill in there and then in there. Alright, so let's drill it away. You could also take some like a white Sharpie or something, but a small little drill bit, start to make the indentations, and then we'll unbolt it and then start drilling it through. Okay everyone, so we're done with the install. Super easy. There's my bolts that I put it in. Bolt this way with the washer, and then a locking washer on top, and the nut. There's a little axis over here. I use basically a 13mm wrench, or socket I mean, and a wrench with the gear to make it a little easier to put my hands in there. And then again, the front has welded on almost like bolts to the top, so you just get the two bolts and put them through. Yeah, super easy install. Looks sick, looks awesome. Can't wait for them to make a transfer case and a gas tank protector, maybe rear diff, I don't know. But yeah, install was super clean. Haven't seen one for a 3rd gen. Again, I'm just a regular do-yourself Montero fan, so yeah, just thought it'd be pretty cool as you check it out. Cool. Adventure driven design, awesome stuff guys. Keep it up for the Montero 3rd gen community. Appreciate it. Bye.